Hi friends, welcome to Kids Learning Express. Today we will see some of the basic steps pattern to start with the nursery children. They should know how to write lines and shapes and all. We will see in this lesson. Okay, first we will see some of the basic steps pattern. Shall we start? We'll write first date. Okay, today 12/8/2020. Some of the basic steps. Okay, basic steps. Okay, pattern. First we will see line. Okay. Do you know this? What is the line? This is called standing line. Okay. Standing line. This can also call it as vertical line. Okay, ask your mama to keep dot. You can also practice at home like this, children. Okay, upside and downside, two dot. Okay. How to draw, from upwards to downwards, upwards to downwards, upwards to downwards, like this. You have to make a line. This is called, what is this line, children? This is called standing line. Okay. Next we will see one more line. This is called sleeping line. Okay. This is called sleeping line. Okay, this also we can call it as horizontal line. Horizontal line. Okay, you can practice at home, children. Tell your mama to keep like this, two dot. Okay, you also practice at home. It can be easy writing. Okay, like this, as the man is sleeping now. Like this, you people have to draw line. This is called sleeping line or horizontal line. Next, see one more line. Okay, this is called slanting line. Okay, this is called slanting line. Slanting line. Okay, ask your mama to keep the dot like this so that you children can able to draw it neatly. Ask your mama to keep the dot like this, then you can draw like this. This is called slanting line. Okay. Next, one more. This is half curve. Okay. This is called half curve. The same way, ask your mama to keep two dots. Okay. So you people can write easily. Like this. Okay. Like this. This is called, what is this called, children? Half curve. Half curve.